this episode. Last whole day na natin sa New York City. Pero syempre, di natin palalampasin na di bumisita sa Met Museum. Susubukan din natin ang ilan sa mga famous restaurants dito. Kaya sumama na on my last day here in NYC.
So, hey guys. It's a Friday today and gloomy ang weather. I think it's 0 or -1 degree today. It's kind of a mix of rain, snow. So, hindi ko gusto yung ganyang weather and feels like -6. So, medyo malamig ang weather this day around. And yung outfit natin, ganito lang. Naka-jogging pants lang tayo. But, try natin. Hopefully, hindi tayo masyadong lamigin. We need to walk until the 8th Avenue. We are meeting up Jihan. We'll be heading to Met Museum in just a bit. And hopefully later at around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, medyo sunny na yung weather. Mas maganda na yung weather later. Yeah, so actually yung nadala kong jacket is not really appropriate. But sana pala nagpadala ako ng jacket kay Jihan, no? Anyway, I'll see you in a bit, guys. I'll prep up and move downstairs.
Maaga tayong nagising today. And from the Manhattan Hotel, we will need to walk towards 8th Street to meet up Jihan.
It's extra cold today, guys. Sobrang lamig. So we'll be heading to 8th Street. Tama yung direction natin, di ba? Good morning! Rise and shine! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Columbus Circle and mamimili tayo ng tinapay na gagamitin natin for tomorrow's breakfast.
We then head straight to Columbus Circle to visit Bread's Bakery, where we will be buying our main ingredients for a mini shooting on the next day. If you want to watch kung anong sinut namin, well, you can just find the link down below.
Okay, we're having our quick lunch at Grace Papaya.
From here, dinala ako ni Jihan sa famous hot dog restaurant called Grace Papaya. The restaurant is located around Broadway at 72nd Street. Grace Papaya's famous franks starts at $295, pero mas makakatipid ka if you are gonna try their set menu or their promo of buy one take one.
Parang promo. Pagka bumili ka ng isa lang, mas mahal ang babayaran.
And guess what? Mostly na nagtatrabaho dito ay Filipinos. After a quick lunch, oras na para bisitahin ang Central Park.
So, kanina guys. So, ayan. Ganyan ang itsura ng mga puno today.
Medyo umuulan at nag-snow. Kaya iba ang vibe ng park today. Actually, nagmamadali din kami dahil sobrang nawiwiwi na ako. And we need to find the nearest bathroom. And to what I remember, the nearest I know is at Bethesda Terrace and Fountain. Sadly,
Oh no! Restroom closed!
so ayun na nga, sarado. Kaya instead of roaming around Central Park, we decided to just head straight to our next destination, the Metropolitan Museum.
Di ba parang bumalik lang tayo?
Ha?
Di ba bumalik lang tayo?
Saan?
Sa pinanggalingan natin kanina.
Ano tayo?
Kabila na to?
Side.
East na to? Oh.
Dito na kasi yung mga stickers.
Here. Diyan ako titira. Char!
Colloquially, the Met is the largest art museum in the Western Hemisphere and is located just along 5th Avenue within Central Park.
Ito yung line, guys. Woo! Sobrang haba!
When we arrive, ayun na nga ang haba ng pila, pero mabilis lang din naman ang queuing.
But
You'll just need to present a valid ID and vaccination card at the entrance.
kailangan ko mag-present ng vaccination card and ID bago makapasok ng Met Museum.
Pagpasok, you would need to fall in line again to purchase a ticket. Ticket costs $12 for students, $17 for senior, and $25 for adults. You can also get a free ticket if you're under 12.
Kailangan ng ticket to.
Okay, saan ka ba dapat?
Doon.
Saan ba may yung banyo?
Doon na, sa Egypt.
Doon na mismo?
Medyo limited ang videos natin inside because the museum prohibits anyone from taking videos. Pero honestly, sobrang laki ng place and we weren't really able to visit everything. If you are visiting soon, I suggest for you to allocate at least half or a whole day just roaming around the museum. If limited ang oras nyo, well, better to have an idea already on what particular collections you would want to see.
Hindi namin masyadong nalibot lahat because I'm tired. Dahil masakit ang aking likod. Kaya di natin nalibot lahat. So, pumunta tayo dito. Inabot kami ng mga 3 hours for today. For us.
Time na para magkape! Saan na nga ba ang next destination natin? Gusto sana naming itry ang food sa Laduree. Unfortunately, walang available seat. Kaya lumipat na lang kami sa Ralph Lauren Coffee Shop. Well, syempre, para magkape.
Ralph Lauren Coffee Shop. Kape lang kami. Mamayaman ng Jihan, kaya dito siya kumakamars. Ralph's Coffee.
Natin ang beer toast.
Yan yung pila sa coffee shop nila.
Diba, buti napaaga tayo ng konti.
In fairness, yung coffee shop nila, sa gate lang siya, sabihin mo yung order, di ka papasok. So, hanggang dyan ka lang sa labas. Okay, nasa apartment ako ngayon. Mga later, 7:30 daw.
And dahil napagod na din kami kakalakad, we decided to just go home early para makapag-dinner and makapagpahinga ng maayos. But before that, mamamalengke muna kami. Gusto daw kasi magluto ni Jihan ng isang Korean recipe. Pero di ko na na-videohan everything. Siguro dahil sa sobrang gutom na rin ako. Kinabukasan, time na para umuwi. Good thing, Brad Dante is also here in the area and brought me from the house to the airport.
Hinatid tayo ni Brad Dante sa airport. Nakasakay ako.
Gaya ng travel ko papunta ng New York, halos 10 lang din kaming sakay ng eroplano. Kaya from my seat at the end, I was upgraded at the front. Thank God I landed safely. I hope you enjoy my New York adventure. Until our next trip.
Guys, finally home. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my vlog. I hope you learned something from my trip in New York, and if ever you'll be visiting, I hope you can actually ask anything on the comment section below. If you got some questions that isn't clear, because alam ko yung mga information that I've said are not really full. Yes, and don't forget, of course, to put a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.